Megan here. Today I'm going to do a little video review on this John Frieda blow dryer. I'm kind of excited about it. I tried it out the other day actually, and it's kind of awesome. I mean, for a sort of like medium price range hair dryer, it's really awesome. It's $49.99. I find it at Target, Best Buy, Amazon. I buy everything online, so it makes it super easy. It's the John Frieda full volume hair dryer, and as you can see, my hair is wet right now. I'm just gonna basically, it's not really a tutorial, show you how I dry my hair. I pin it up with a little jaw clip right here, kind of high, to give so it dries with a little volume on top here, and then I do my makeup, and then I'll take it down while it's wet, and I don't brush it ever, and so, you know, while it still looks like this, I just start drying. So this is the dryer, which I think is so pretty with the silver and purple, and it comes with these fun attachments, the diffusers, and I kind of just blast my hair. I don't brush, I just dry it. I tend to dry it sort of up too, to give me extra volume. I mean, I'm already almost dry here, and see how I keep my clip in to keep this volume here. So it's already drying and really not a lot of frizz. So now I'm going to take the clip out, and depending on which way you part, I kind of just dry it first and then decide my part later, because that'll still give me the most volume. I mean, look at it. It's really powerful. I mean, it's more powerful than any other blow dryer I've ever had. Going up, and then I'll take this all and I hold it up and I blow behind. See, I've used no brush. I'm already getting this awesome volume, and if you then just go both sides, then flip my hair over. So my hair is pretty much dry. As you can see, like, it's a kind of like ratty looking and messy. I still haven't brushed it, and I probably won't. What I love most about this dryer is the power it has. It just blasts my hair like I'm in some sort of like air tunnel. And that also means like it dries it pretty fast. Like right now it's, you know, I'm what, a few minutes, 3 minutes, and it's pretty dry. And my hair takes forever to dry, like literally. Like you can see that it's still kind of like messy because I haven't brushed it, but no frizz, which is really what I'm kind of loving about it. Really, I rarely use any products other than sort of hairspray or dry shampoo in my hair. It immediately makes it feel greasy to me, so I'd rather not. So yeah, I think what's really awesome about this is you just watch me blow dry my hair from beginning to end using no products, and I have zero frizz. Zero. And that's awesome.